If you're having some issues with your media screen, whether it's Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, or any other infotainment issues, and you're looking to do a soft reset, you will be needing a pin just like this. We'll need to punch in the pin in that spot right there. There's a small button inside. Once that's pressed using that pin, you will see the screen blanking out. That itself is a sign the screen is doing a soft reset. It will take few seconds until you see the screen coming back to normal. Hit Alt press confirm. Once the screen comes back to normal, suppose your issues are still not resolved and you're looking for a hard reset, what you have to do is come towards your right side, press setup, go to general, and then you come all the way down here. There's a reset option, press on it. You would see at the bottom reset all. It says the system will be reset to the default settings and all stored data and settings will be lost. This is actually the hard reset if you're looking to do. All you have to do is just press the reset button at the bottom of your screen. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.